So this video is both a book review and sort of a tool review at the same time. And the book review is Making People and Pets. It's a book on scroll saw projects where you can basically take patterns and cut out the various things. And then they make nice gifts, like there's that one there. And so one of the ones I've made is this, which I gave to my wife as a present. And she quite likes it because we have a dog, and so it looks like a woman and her dog, and she likes her dog very much. And, I'll also do little things like that as well. So, I highly recommend the scroll saw because I've had one for 25 years, and you can do lots of fun projects with it without much. If you have no other equipment but a scroll saw, you'd be amazed at what you can do with it. Like, for example, there's this project here. This was done entirely on a scroll saw. There's no other tool used. I went to the hardware store and got some 1/4-inch Baltic birch plywood. And then there's a pattern online I'm going to link to in the description. And you just print up the pattern. You stick it to the wood. I used... you put like the blue painter's tape, then you put some adhesive on top of that, and then put the pattern on top. That way it comes off clean, but also the painter's tape helps lubricate the blade as it cuts through it, sort of the gumminess of the tape. For some reason, the adhesive actually acts as a lubricant on the blade. That's sort of an old... Oh, I also overcoat the pattern with packing tape. And so between the two layers of tape and all the adhesives, they help the blade cut better. So, basically these finger joints were cut on the scroll saw, and you can see there's a little bit of mistakes here and there, where it's not perfect, but as you get better, people who get really good at the scroll saw can follow lines like almost like a CNC machine, and you can get stuff output from a scroll saw that looks like a CNC machine made it without the expense or problems of a CNC machine. And so this is the bottom here. And so I use this as a workshop organizer on my workbench. You put small tools in each layer and you're off to the races on it. So the scroll saw pattern and project, the dog, and this. I also have made scroll saw bowls, which I'm going to cover separately at some other point in the future. You can make bowls on a scroll saw that look like they were made on a lathe. So, again, I highly endorse the scroll saw as a tool. They're very inexpensive, and Making People and Pets is a very fun project book. There's a lot of projects in here. Odds are you'll find one that will be to your liking, and you can give it as a gift. I've actually given a few of these as gifts as well, and it was like $13 for the book. So you'll support the author and get lots of gifts out of it as well. And so that is my endorsement of the scroll saw.